Welcome to Mastering VeriCuda featuring Katana. In today's video, we'll walk through how to create and receive a purchase order using the VeriCuda and Katana integration. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create a purchase order in VeriCuda, send it to Katana through the integration, and receive the purchase order once your inventory arrives. Here's what we'll cover in this video. First, we will cover navigating VeriCuda and Katana and where to find the appropriate forms. Next, we'll create a new purchase order and review the required information before sending it to Katana. Finally, we'll receive the purchase order after the materials have been received, ensuring your inventory stays accurate in Katana and your quality checks are performed in VeriCuda. Once we've completed these 3 steps, you'll be ready to manage purchase orders and receiving from start to finish. Let's get started. On your home screen, there's 2 ways to get to your Katana forms. You can go up to Forms, or you can go over on your dashboard to Pre-Built Form and click on one of these eyeballs for the form that you need. We are going to go to Forms at the top and then Pre-Built Form. Here you will see a list of your forms: Receiving Supplier Delivery, Recipe Batch, and Shipping. To create a PO, you're going to use the Receiving Supplier Delivery. Go all the way to the right icon, Create Purchase Order. We are going to enter our purchase order number. Then select our supplier, select the location you're at, and add item. From here, you're going to search what will go on the purchase order. Next, put in the quantity. If there is a price per unit in Katana already that will populate, then make sure the unit of measure is correct. You can add an additional item and we'll add one more. Alright, from here we're going to create purchase order. Purchase order created successfully. So now I'm going to go into Katana to show that purchase order. You can enter the order here, or you can type in the supplier and it will populate. Right here we can see our purchase order and we can see status is not received. So back into VeriCuda, we are going to go back to the previous screen, and under the receiving log, we're going to now go to the left icon to receive our purchase order. Put in the receive date, the supplier, and this is going to populate all of the open POs, so you can just select from that list and then fetch. Scroll to the bottom and you can see that we have our items here. For step 2, we're going to do our trailer inspection. So trailer type, if it's refrigerated, put in the temperature. Trailer interior in good condition, yes. Exterior in good condition, yes. There's any dirt, pests, residue, anything, any damage found, no. Trailer rejected, no. You can put in any comments, and then if there's any damage, pests, anything like that, you can take a picture and attach that. This information can be recalled at any time. All you need is a lot number, and these inspections will be retrieved for any POs. So now we go down to the items, make sure the order quantity is correct. We're going to put in our batch or lot numbers, and then save and continue to receiving. So now this is going to bring us to this screen where we're going to edit, and now make sure that we are receiving the correct quantities. If there is an additional item on that trailer that you need to receive, we're going to add item and you can select what that item is. You can put in a SKU number, what the quantity is, what you're receiving. That one already has a default unit of measure, and then we'll put in that lot number as well. Now we are going to receive 4 items. Receive 4 items to Katana. Okay, wait for that. Now it says receive to Katana successfully. Go back to Katana. You can see that on our open POs that is not showing. If we go to Done, we can see our PO right here, and it is successfully received. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding creating or receiving a purchase order, please reach out to your VeriCuda contact or the email address on screen. Thank you for partnering with VeriCuda.